Time to shop for our upcoming vacation, and today we are at Walmart. And I am looking for my packing essentials for my upcoming vacation. So whether you're going by bus, by train, by plane, by boat, by cruise ship, you are going to consider a few essentials. Do you want to have your own shampoo and conditioner? Usually every hotel, every cruise ship does have that for you, but you might want that extra little travel size hairspray, and you definitely want that toothbrush cover. Probably also want to consider what you can take on carry-on, what you have to put in your suitcase. And I have lots of great videos. Hi, my friends. This is Wendy with Where Wendy Travels. And we are taking a look at some of the travel items available at Walmart. We can put our own conditioners, mouthwash, and flavors into these recyclable containers. We can also get a toothbrush cover. We want to make sure that we have a sanitary toothbrush free of cooties that we might have around the sink. And Sensodyne, now here at Walmart for $2 in the miniature size. Love it. And Kleenex is always great. Wet wipes. You want to wipe down your table tray on the airplane. Also want to clean your hands, makeup remover, or refresh yourself after a long flight or before you get into your cruise room. So there's lots of different items to consider. And what happens if you get a headache? Make sure you have a travel size bottle, and you do want to keep the pills in the original containers. That way you're not held up by security. Dramamine, Tums, Pepto-Bismol, acetaminophen, ibuprofen, all great ideas for travel. Might also want to pick up some vitamin C for yourself. Keep your immune system up as you fly and you're surrounded by people from all different areas of the country. A miniature bottle of suntan lotion. Yes, you can take the suntan lotion in your carry-on, just has to be 3.4 ounces or smaller. So all of these fit the bill. Also pick up your favorite deodorant. Make sure you have some hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is great to goop onto those table trays as well, to clean them off then with a towel. I like to carry the Lysol, the Clorox, the wet ones. All of these are nice, small, fit in your carry-on bag. And you can choose your flavor, your smell. And so we are also today going to look at some luggage. You want to also smell good, so you might want to consider one of these little bottles of spritz in case you've got that long 20 hours between the car, the airplane, the taxi, the whatnot to get to your destination. So I am excited to now talk about some of the bags and carriers that I like to have. I like to carry a crossbody bag or what they used to call fanny pack. This one is perfect for your phone. Also up here to the left of them is some great water resistant, not waterproof, so don't drown this puppy, but water resistant bags. It's nice to have your phone case, especially if you're traveling with younger ones, in a case where you can put it around their neck. They're less likely to lose it. If you're going to the beach or a sunny area, I also highly recommend some hair clips or ties, as well as a sun hat, a baseball cap, something to keep the sun out of your eyes and the sunburn off your face. Lots of cutesy little designs here. So you can pick up the headband, the head hats, whatever fits your fancy. None of these seem to be sunproof, but again, they will help you. And now luggage. What are considerations for our luggage? Hit that subscribe button because we have some upcoming tutorials on some of the best suitcases. We're just here perusing what Walmart has to offer, and I do like side pockets, I do like zippers, I do like the straps, also like the hard shell. The hard shell is going to keep my luggage in one piece more, so that is very nice. But look at the weight of your suitcase. Now these are checked luggage bags, and you can carry usually up to 50 pounds on your flight, 52 internationally on most flights. but you want to consider some different things. I like the 360-degree spinner wheels. Most of them have that now, but you want to double check. 7.8 pounds, 8.3 pounds. You're starting off with a lot of weight when you can only carry 50 pounds. So you might want to shop around for the lightest. And I will get into the compression and the organization of the suitcases. I've got some upcoming tutorials on that where I'll show you what I pack and what I have learned that I do not need, so you can travel light and have a safe, comfortable trip and vacation, and we don't want to break the bank. So either catch something on sale or consider lightweight, but your soft-sided suitcase doesn't seem to last as long as your hard shell. Now, I also like to take a duffel bag and consider a neck pillow. I'm going to give you tips and tricks on the neck pillow. They're $15 to $18 here. Dollar Tree has them for $5. Yes, the memory foam where you can unzip, take off the cover, and then stuff it with your favorite sweater. So if you get cold, you have a little free carry-on that may or may not have fit in your suitcase. And this is a nice crossbody bag, relatively decent priced here. Looks like either the fanny pack or the crossbody bag you can pick up for about $12 each. Very nice, extra pockets. I like that. Nice to have a nice shaving kit or ladies makeup kit in your suitcase. You also want to consider you need an adapter if you're traveling, or you need multiple outlets if you're going on the train or somewhere here in the States. Also a luggage scale. You don't want to be surprised when you get to check your bags or try to carry on your bags, because now more than ever, airlines and train stations are checking the weight of your luggage. And sling bags here, and I did want to tell you about the duffel bag. It's nice to have a duffel bag where it's all folded up. You can throw it inside your suitcase. It doesn't weigh anything, and it'll give you the option of having a carry bag where you're at, or simply having an extra bag to bring back with you that you didn't have to take in the beginning of the trip because you've bought a few souvenirs that you'd like to bring home. And my friends, it doesn't matter where you're traveling. Hey, this is me with Where Wendy Travels, Where Wendy Creates. Whether you're on a river cruise, you're exploring Europe, you're going to the beaches, whether you're going across the state to another country, you want to travel light, travel right. So hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you along here. We're going to be packing that suitcase, and I'm going to tell you what I've learned through traveling the world. And what I have learned, I do not need to bring with me, so I can travel light, enjoy my vacation, and still be pampered like a queen and not miss out on some of those essentials that most people don't think about when they're putting a suitcase together. So our next trip is going to be to DC and then on to Mexico. So I am so excited. I want you to join me right here on that channel, this channel. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed or picked up any tips or tricks in this video. I have so much more to come to you. I cannot wait to share. Have a great day, my friends. Have a great day.